Now we go to the example 4 of chapter 8.2. For the 8.2, actually we are discussing about the properties of the isosceles triangle. What is isosceles triangle? It means that the pairs of a triangle that is equal, just like the example 4, that we see that xy is equal to yz. So it is an isosceles triangle, and if we know that it is an isosceles triangle, then the base angle, that is the angle yxc, and also the angle ycx would be equal. And this property, we call it, that is the base angles of isosceles triangle. So by this property, we know that both of that are equal to 38 degrees. So we know that this one, the angle ycx is also equal to 38 degrees. So by using the second property in this question is the triangle itself, we know what? The sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180. So that A plus the angle yxc plus the angle ycx would be equal to 180 degrees. That is the angle sum of triangle. So that A plus 38 degrees plus 38 degrees will be equal to 180 degrees. So lastly, we know that A is equal to 104 degrees. That's it.